Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will use some amazing new pigments that will be released tomorrow or Friday, depends on which country you live in. They called SUP stuck-up pigs. They are not TLPs, but still they are pigments from Fluid Art Co group, and they are chameleon ones. I will use Boastful, that it's turquoise, lime, emerald, indigo and navy, color shift chameleon color, and only black. I have to say that I was just amazed with the dry result. Unfortunately, you can't see a lot when the pigments are dry. I mixed them with polyurethane satin varnish by Vallejo and my pouring medium. They mix really well with my pouring medium, and I can tell you how beautiful they are. So please watch the whole video, or if you can't wait, you can check the final result and then you go maybe back, just because of the algorithms of YouTube that helps me if you watch a little more of the video. This is just my wish for you. So I really had a blast with them, with this one, and I can't wait to try two more that will be available. So I have to see the final result. You just have to, because I can't describe in words. It's even hard to show on camera. Really is. I tried, but hopefully you will see the beauty. So enjoy. So here is a close-up of the wet result. I will try to show you all the colors that are in here. You can see a lime green and some indigo there and some turquoise. When you don't shift, kind of. And I can't wait to see this dry. Just amazing. Color shifting, shimmery thing. Wow. So stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a close-up of my chameleon flower. I will try to go around because I just don't know how to show all the colors that you can see from a different angle, from this lime green to turquoise to blue to indigo. It's just amazing. It's so hard to show on camera. I don't know how can I even show you all the colors. Just amazing. Just depends on which angle you look. I will definitely do one with white and see how this one will look like. Wow, just wow. And I have a light on, just, you know, to show you more. And the shimmer is amazing. They're just amazing. So, if you want to grab some SUP Pigs SUPs, they will be released on this Thursday and Friday, depends on the country that you live in. And they are expensive, but they're worth it. This was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.